The unmanned attack helicopter Termite has entered the mass production phase and plans to send these weapons to Ukraine to participate in the war. This is a newly developed unmanned aircraft capable of deploying precision-guided laser targeting missiles. The unveiling took place during the visit of Russia's Deputy Security Council Chairman, Dmitry Medvedev, to Moscow's industrial park, Rudveno. The helicopter-style attack drone is called Termite. UAV Termite is a product of NPP Strela of the Kronshtadt Group. In 2021, Russia signed a contract for an undisclosed number of Termite drones with a relatively short delivery deadline. During Mr. Medvedev's visit, about 10 UAVs were in different stages of assembly, of which 3 were nearing completion. Termite is an unmanned combat helicopter armed with guided rockets, and the first tests of this weapon were carried out in November 2021. The guided rocket in question is the SHL, a modified SH dump rocket. It uses semi-active laser guidance, basically in the same way as the American APKWS, but with a greater degree of remodeling within the original rocket. The SHL has 2 additional units with floating wings in the middle of the body and a homing head in the nose, whereas the US-made APKWS combines both of these elements into one module attached to the source rocket. The SHL's maximum attack range is 6 km. It carries a high explosive fragmentation weight. This missile system represents a significant leap in targeting precision, enabling the drone operator to designate and track targets along a laser beam. During military exhibitions, the Termite drone was displayed with 3 launchers. Also, the Termite must be equipped with a targeting port on the rotorcraft's nose to guide the rockets. Speaking of the rotorcraft in general, Termite's predecessor is the BVS VT-450 unmanned helicopter, which NPP Strela began developing back in 2016. Termite is the combat version, and there is also a civilian one called the Smart Heli 450. Most likely, the military drone inherited the specifications of its original, as follows: maximum takeoff weight 450 kg, empty weight 270 kg, maximum speed 150 km per hour, cruising speed 90 km per hour, surface ceiling 3,500 meters, and maximum flight duration is 6 hours. All data is according to Russian sources. According to observers, it is worth noting that Russia developed this UAV before the military campaign in Ukraine, so it is unclear whether Western sanctions will affect the components that Moscow uses to produce Termite. Additionally, Termite's combat effectiveness depends on Russia's availability and ability to mass produce the SHL rocket in the context of Western sanctions. However, if Russia puts these UAVs into combat in Ukraine, this is considered a formidable weapon because it can effectively support ground forces, helping Russia maintain the advantage of the air control without risking human lives.